In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a doorknob on your door. So I took the doorknob off of this one so I can take it to school, and I already made a video of it. It's video 3051. But in this video, this is video 3052. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install a doorknob and a deadbolt on your door. And this is what I did on the garage door yesterday. So let us begin the installation project. So I'm going to be installing this doorknob and deadbolt that I got at the Home Depot at Lakewood on Black Friday. First we'll begin with the doorknob. And we're going to have to open the door and take the latch out of the door knob. So your latch is going to go in like this if your door closes like this. Rather, in my closet, the door opens like this. So if your door opens outwards, the latch will be the other side like this. Let's begin the installation project. So make sure you insert the doorknob latch the right way. Next, you're going to insert the exterior part of the doorknob. And you have to push in on the latch to insert it. And yeah. So you have to insert it into the right position in order for it to go inside. Now insert the interior of the doorknob. You have to make sure this is aligned properly. See that little slot there? You have to align that properly. So like if it was on the unlock position. There you go. Next you're going to screw those in. I'm not going to screw them in because it might take a while and I don't have too much memory in my phone. So just screw them into the door. Just like that.